Let's make techno. First let's set the tempo to somewhat around 128 BPM, and I'll start with a heavy kick from my sample pack. After 8 bars I'll add some open hi-hats. And some closed hi-hats. After another 8 bars, let's use a crash. Some claps. And some rides. Now, techno usually has 2 types of bass. First the rumble, second the synth bass. To make the rumble bass, let's link this to a channel, and create another parallel channel for the rumble and send it like this. Let's add reverb to this, and take away the dry signal and make the wet signal 100%. I'll also EQ this to take off the highs. Let's now sidechain this to the main kick. Moving on to the next bass, I'll be using this preset from my new Serum preset pack Technomorphia, which I'll be using throughout this video. Guys, if you want to get the Serum preset pack which has more than 100 presets, and my drum sample pack with more than 200 samples, check out the link in the description. Also, use the discount code TECHNO4 on the Serum pack for a special discount during February. If you can get the pack, I'll highly appreciate it and will be a huge support. The link's in the description. I'll turn the bass to mono and sidechain it to the kick. Then let's add some atmospheric pads. I'll simply sidechain this. Then let's add a heavy lead. I'll take off the lows from this. Add some distortion. Some saturation. And some reverb. Now we need supporting synths. So, let's keep the lead as a reference and try adding some synth fills. I want this to have a sort of gliding effect instead of straight up hitting like this, so I'll simple increase attack time using Serum. Let's use some exhausts and downlifters to transition into the second half of the drop. And add some vocals. I feel like there's too much low end on the vocals, so let's use a multiband compressor to compress the low end like this. Then I'll add some plucks. Let's take off some of the harsh frequencies from this. And add some pads for tension. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick and the bass, and after 8 bars let's add the open hi-hats and the pads. And let's use the exhausts to transition into the build-up. At the build-up I'll keep the kick, and make a high-pass filter to take off the lows like this. Let's chop up the lead like this. And add some build-up drums. And some risers. I'll use the vocal as a fill. Put the kick on double time just before the drop hits. And add a small riser. Now let's duplicate the whole thing, and change some elements around to differentiate this from the first half. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.